Hello everyone! By the way, this is Mark Jan M. Martinez and I am your instructor in ED 5 teaching science in the intermediate grades which give focus on physics, earth as well as space science. And now, this will be our video instruction on what you are going to do in your demonstration. So here are the things that you will do in our subject. So I'll be posting your groups. So we have 8 groups. Yes. And of course, with these 8 groups, you are assigned with topic. And of course, ano yung ifo-focus ninyo? Yung subtopics. For example, the group 1, they are assigned with a force. Ano yung subtopics ng force? We have what is force, Newton's law of motion, and kinds of forces. And we also have group 2, you are assigned with motion. So may tatlo itong subtopics. Group 3, you are assigned with work. May dalawa itong subtopics. And of course, group 4, you are assigned with energy. May 4 itong subtopics. And group 5, you are assigned with, so ibang unit na to, yun earth science na. So you are assigned with the earth's atmosphere. So we have 4 subtopics. Group 6, so mayroon kayong 5 subtopics. Your topic is about the earth's hydrosphere. And group 7, you're assigned with the earth's lithosphere. We have 5 topics and subtopics rather. And of course for group 8, we have 5 subtopics under the Earth's place in the universe. So sir, ano yung gagawin namin? So halimbawa group 1, I think the minimum members ng group 1 ay 10. So in short, ilan yung gagawin naming lesson plan? Ang gagawin ninyong lesson plan ay 3. Therefore, in your group 1, you will choose what? One leader. And of course, you have now one leader and your leader will be the one who will divide your group. So, halimbawa 3. So therefore, the leader will divide you into 3 groups. So ilan? So probably tatatlo kayong member. So each subgroup ng group 1, you need to create what? Lesson plan. For example, 3 'di ba 'yon? So ang unang grupo, you're assigned to make the lesson plan on what is force. Ang ikalawang grupo ng group 1, you are assigned to make the Newton's law of motion. At yung ikatatlong grupo ng group 1, you are assigned to make the lesson plan of kinds of forces. But, I know you might think, hala, mag-iayay na lang yan eh. No. Because you will be graded as a whole. As a group. Yes. Kahit na mayroon kayong subgroup, but still, ano yung grade ng isa, grade ng lahat. So, the same also with the other groups, sa group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 7, and group 8. Okay? So, what shall we do next? Ano yung gagawin namin, sir? So, first, follow the steps. Download the PDF file of the sample lesson plan in our Google Classroom. Yes, I will be uploading a sample 5 E's lesson plan together with a tutorial video. So please do watch the tutorial video because i-check ko talaga kung napanood ninyo. And I won't check your objectives, your lesson plan kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung video na pinost ko sa Google Classroom. Yes, that is number 2. Watch all the videos posted in G Classroom because all of those videos will really help you kung ano yung gagawin ninyo. And of course, coordinate with your group mates. Yes. So therefore, there is what we call collaborative learning in here. Because kung mayroon pasaway yung mga grupo ninyo, so therefore, there is no cooperation, there is no collaboration. And of course, make an objectives and handout based on your assigned topic. So, hindi mo na kayo gagawa ng lesson plan. Unang ipapacheck niyo sa akin ay inyong objectives. So, tatlo yung objectives natin. We have cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. So, balikan natin ngayon si Group 1. So, ilang set ng objectives ang gagawin ni Group 1? Tatlo. So, tatlong objectives ng what is force, tatlong objectives ng Newton's law of motion, at tatlong objectives ng kinds of forces. Okay? And of course, handout based on your assigned topic. So, talking about handouts, so even though iba-iba yung grupo ninyo, but group 1 will only have one handout na base na doon sa tatlong topic. So, pasunod na ninyo to sa isa lang ka-document, group 1. And of course, after that, kung na-aprobahan na ako inyong mga objective as well as your handout, so sir, bakit i-check pa nimo ang handout? Because I want to check or verify the content. Yes, because in writing your content, you need to also include your references. Kasi hindi ako papayag na walang references, bisan asa pa lang niyo nagikuha, di ba? So, I need to verify first your handout as well as your objectives. Kapag na-approve ko na, then you may create your lesson plan based on the format na uploaded sa ating Google Classroom. And of course, number 4, pagkatapos ko nang ma-check ang inyong lesson plan, approve na, so you need to create a PowerPoint presentation and a demonstration video of your assigned topic. Again, hindi kayo pwedeng gumawa ng PPT or ng demo video kung hindi ko pa na-approve ang inyong lesson plan, handout, at objectives. And all of your members must be what? Present in the video. Sige, balikan natin si Group 1. Diba si Group 1, mayroon siyang tatlong subtopics. And each subtopics, mayroon yung iba't ibang miyembro coming from Group 1. So, ano yung gagawin ninyo? So, therefore, tatlo rin yung lesson plan na gagawin ninyo. At tatlo rin yung gagawin yung PowerPoint presentation. So, tatlo rin yung demonstration video na gagawin ninyo. Dapat kung sino yung sumulat ng lesson plan, sila rin yung makikita kung nagdi-demo ng kanilang ginawang LP. That is why malaki talaga ang role ni leader dito on paano niya i-manage ang kanyang members. Okay, so next. So be creative in making your video. So you may use KineMaster, Viva Video, or X Recorder, which I am using right now. So of course, try to explore more. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga demo or yung palabas sa DepEd TV? So pwedeng ganun rin na way yung demo ninyo. And of course, for your demonstration video, wala kayong estudyante. Or kung magkakaroon man kayo ng estudyante, it should be your group mates lang. Okay? And of course, make the video short and concise. Yes, 5 to 30 minutes discussion. Yes, huwag nyo nang pahabain yung video discussion ninyo or yung demonstration ninyo. Yes. And of course, you may submit your video, handout, PowerPoint presentation, as well as lesson plan before April 26, 2021. So you need to follow the following formats. So for your handouts, so the paper size is letter or short. The orientation should be portrait. The font size most especially the title, it should be 14, and for the body, it should be 12. And the font style, follow this one, Century School Book. And the margin is normal lang, 1111. And for your lesson plan, so please do follow yung format ko doon. Yun na yun, don't change na the font style, font size, the table, just follow na lang, i-edit nyo na lang yun. And for your PowerPoint presentation of your lesson, of course, you need to follow the 7 by 7 rule. So ano ito? 7 words per line or less, or 7 bullets per slide or less. Yes, because kung paragraph na yung ilalagay ninyo dito is, of course, hindi na gugustuhin ng inyong mga kaklaseng basahin ang inyong presentation. And of course, follow the font at least 18 point but use 24 point or larger when possible para sa visibility niya, legibility sa inyong mga kaklase. And of course, please be creative. Like for example, itong ginawa ko, I made use of what GIF para mayroon namang gumagalaw during my video, di po ba? And also for your PPT, you need to include animation, transition, and hyperlink. In short, be creative talaga. And of course, in your PPT, the background or the border must relate with your assigned topic. Halimbawa, ang topic ninyo ay about moons. So therefore, more on moons talaga yung design ninyo. And of course, for video presentation, it should be 5 to 30 minutes. So I think mas the best kung 15 to 20. Ganyan kahaba ang inyong video discussion. And make use of editing apps. Kung gusto niyo magpaturo, just comment na lang sa comment section. And make sure that you have a clear audio. And all members must present. So makikita ko dapat yung makamukha ninyo. And of course, don't forget to write your name kung kayo na yung nagpre-present. So these are the things that you need to remember. You may submit your work via Google Classroom or you may submit it personally. So para sa kuha, it would be better if you will submit it via flash drive personally. Why? Because para walang tendency na ma-distort yung video ninyo or maguba inyo ang mga PowerPoint as well as handouts. So better to submit it personally. But if you find it hard to submit it in person, so you may submit it via Google Classroom. So follow the following file name. So group 1, for example, group 1, PPT, group 1, DT, demonstration teaching, group 2, group 1, handouts. Okay. And here are the steps that you need to inculcate in your mind. So, first is the checking of objectives and handouts. So, after watching this video, after knowing your assigned topic, so talk to your leader, is you need to make an objectives of your topic. For example, what is force? You need to create 3 objectives ato based on cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. And after that one, you need to search for the contents of force. Make sure na madali yung maintindihan yung mga content na inilagay ninyo, and don't forget to include also the what? In-text citation and reference list. So dapat ilagay niya talaga yung references ninyo. Kung online, dapat may URL. And of course, kapag approve ko na yung objectives at handouts ninyo, let's proceed to number 2. You need to create your lesson plan and submit it to me. I-check ko pa yan siya. Okay? So, after kong ma-check kung mayroon pang correction, ibabalik ko sa inyo. And after complying correction, ibabalik nyo na naman sa akin for final checking. Okay? And of course, once na-approve ko na yung lesson plan ninyo, therefore, you may now submit or you may now create your demonstration video, and after creating that one, you may submit it to me. Okay? So those are the things that you need to remember And of course, for our demonstration, I really do hope na isa-isa ko talaga at napaintindi ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga bagay na gagawin ninyo sa ating subject. So, any question, if you have, you may ask it in our group chat or you may leave it in the comment section. Once again, this is Mark Jan M. Martinez, your Poging instructor. A peace.